will go eat sushi.
That's what princess. My princess, are you ready? Okay, welcome to my dorm. I'm gonna study again doctoral of being what's up? Huh? That's my princess. Then why me princess?
Bye-bye! Love you!
As you can see, sobrang daming kalat and I'm just gonna have to fix it first. Kasi sobrang naiinis na ako. Na-overstimulated ako sa itsura niya kasi like sobrang daming kalat. I'm very exhausted from all the cleaning I did. Cause bitch, sobrang daming spiders, dust. Well, reasonable naman siya kasi 2 months din kaming wala dito sa dorm. So, yeah. Mag-unbox tayo guys ng new bag. New university bag. This is from Bogsmart. So, let's unbox it now. Supposedly, black talaga dapat yung pipiliin ko. But, lahat ng tote bags ko, even backpacks, black siya. So sobra na ako sa black. So, now, for a change, bumili ako ng beige color. Wow! The reason why I bought this is because malambot siyang tignan sa mga videos. So, pwede siya higaan. Sobrang laki pala niya, te. So, laki. Hindi na kailangan bumili ng another bag organizer kasi sobrang dami niyang... Wait, ano matawag? Sobrang dami niyang pwedeng paglagyan. So, this is my bag before. This is from Tatiana and sobrang ganda niya. Siya. Para pagdadaan ka sa... guard. Ganyan lang. Check na kagad. Actually, kahit di mo lang kapuksan. So, naka-ready na ang aking mga gamit. Lilipat ko na lang. Dusty na siya, guys. Dumi na siya. Anyways, I bought the glasses from Sunny's kasi sobrang sakit talaga ng mata ko every time na nagre-review ako sa gadget. I know na wala kaming gagawin ngayon. For sure, orientation lang. But I don't know. Tingnan ko kung susuotin ko ito mamaya or kami giving na. Fit check muna, guys, bago umalis. Second year na siya. God, my Lord God, for everything, for my journey, for everything. Anyways, papasok na ako, guys. Ito yung camera na dadalhin ko kasi baka magbago yung quality sa tingin niyo. Nakakatakot magdala ng camera. Baka bigla ma-upload. Iyak ako.
Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot of things. I'd probably start with...
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Got me staring for...
Hey guys, punta na po kami sa PE. Sa gym. Second class. Yan, hindi na namin mararanasan yan.
Hindi na kami. We're done with that. Our fresh is here.
Oh! Malungkot ako.
Favorite, favorite.
Kaya tumabi kami dadaan.
Favorite Baxi Logan, guys. It's closed.
Hi sis, hi Dana. We miss you so much. Enroll ka na. You will forever be in our hearts.
Waiting around for you to call back.
Exercise na to kagad eh.
Pacing around my room and my dad. crazy, crazy. I want you to know what you have against me. The city is not the place for us to be.
Dito niyo po kami lagi makikita next.
Cause I'm trying to figure out why you hate me. Was it something I did? Yeah, I don't need to.
First coffee of the year.
First coffee of the year.
First coffee of the school year kasi. Sige, yan. Kasama na
Kasi
next.
Chico pa ako
Our LDR friend. Sama ka.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Room tour.
Guys, time check.
Bye!
4:55.
4:55, uwian na. Hi guys, good morning. So, it's 9 a.m. and I have a class on 10:30. One subject lang siya ngayong araw. So, sayang uniform. Kasi maglalabay na naman. Okay, check. Let's go.
Waiting around for you to call back.